Okay, this video is going to be about the upcoming 4 hour. So I'm just going to go over a few pairs. So unfortunately, I missed this push to the downside on dollar CAD, which I had my 15-minute area. It was broken and closed beyond on the 8 to 8:15, and then I just didn't quite get the pullback that suited my entry style, which that's just what happens sometimes. That's the push there, and then there wasn't really any kind of pullback, and then it just dropped. So I'm not going to push it anymore. I'm not going to try and force the trade. We're now well overextended. We're in a support area. We're at a 4 hour break and retest area, well beyond it. We're at the 4 hour 50. We're at the open of a solid bullish candle from yesterday. I expect a reaction from here. I expect a bullish reaction on dollar CAD, even although this 4 hour is going to close very strong bearish. The only way that I would be looking to enter this short would be a deep pullback and then seeing evidence to feel that price could go lower. What can happen in this 4 hour is that people are going to get sucked in, especially below the lows of this strong 1 hour, thinking that it's just going to drop and drop and drop, not understanding the whole picture. Whereas what could happen is we have a solid bearish candle, which is going to happen, but then a weak or sideways candle for the next 4 hours, which then what does that say? That says loss of momentum. So then loss of momentum in an area that makes sense for buyers to come in, because the people that make the market, that move the market, they're the ones that are entering in on a price rather than technicals. They don't need to know technicals. They're just like, right, okay, well, this is an area of value that I see fit for this day, this week, whatever, however long they're looking to hold the trade. And the evidence that happens from them putting their entry in is solid candles in their direction. So in a buyer's area, solid 1 hour bullish candle would say to me, right, okay, this is the banks, the people that move the market. Now, for dollar CAD to go long, I would expect euro dollar and pound dollar to go short. Now, Euro Aussie, I'm still waiting for a break in either direction. I prefer shorts. I prefer the support to be closed beyond, and then looking for an entry down into the current lows of the day, and then possibly beyond. That is my thought process. We have a tight 15-minute. We've had an impulse, tight 15-minute range. Now it's just about a break beyond, and then seeing if the momentum will continue. Otherwise, if it holds here, then I would want to see a 15-minute break in either direction of this tight trend could make sense. But as I say, right now, I prefer the shorts. Euro dollar, I expect it to go short. In the 4 hours, momentum's bearish. The last 4 hour was bearish. We've created resistance at 1.2085. This is going to close bearish as well. Solid bearish day yesterday. I think that push, the 8 till 9, solid bullish candle has just gone up to the highs of the day, brought in the buyers, and now we've turned around. Solid bearish candle coming in, and yeah, I expect a decent drop. We have this 15-minute area here. We actually have this kind of support here, 1.2068, that I would be waiting, and also this kind of area here. It's not as obvious on the 15-minute, but on the 5-minute, yeah. So I'll set an alert here, 1.207475, see if we can get a pull back into that area. Otherwise, I would be looking for entry below this kind of area. So that's that. Pound dollar, similar to euro dollar, but messy. Look at the range on the daily. It's like since for 2 weeks or so now, the price has basically just gone sideways, and it's a decent sideways range, of course, but there's no real true momentum. to me, again, it's just made a new high of the day. This could be a reversal area, a breakout, break back in, back below the original resistance that created the high of the day in this 1 hour candle, and then looking for shorts. But I'd prefer euro dollar shorts over pound dollar. And euro New Zealand, my kind of stalwart just now. More shorts. Obviously, I was in short from around this area yesterday, which there's no way I would have been holding it anyway. It was too sideways. Previous day, etc., made sense to just take what the market gave me, and I would have been stopped out anyway if I'd held the trade, even though we have had that further push and taken out yesterday's lows. So this 4 hours is going to close bearish as well. I expect a pullback. There's a 1 hour area here, 15 minute area as well. You can see that I had an area marked out. Again, price just absolutely dropped. So unfortunately, I couldn't get an entry in that position at 1.6830, or else I would have been basically more or less done for the day if I had price coming in here, main target being the current lows of the day, and then obviously it just flushed through in that next 15 minutes. So now it's just a case of waiting for price to pull back. It's actually in some new territory because I don't have the round number marked out at 1.68, so I'll need to do that as well. In terms of pound yen, euro yen, pound yen, I can see it going higher, but again, I'm just staying away from pound pairs just now. There's no real momentum in them. And euro yen, if anything else, I would be looking for shorts. But I prefer euro New Zealand over euro yen shorts, euro dollar shorts as well. So yeah, I hope this video has helped you, and just wait for the right trades, wait for the right signals, and take the trade whenever the confluences appear for you.